welcome to my new YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do Rosy makeup look. So the first thing I'm going to do is just clip my hair back, and as you can see, obviously I just washed my hair, so I have a nice clean face. Now I'm going to be using the Aveeno moisturizing lotion. This is really good for dry skin, so I enjoy using this as I have a very dry skin. I'm just going to put this all over my face and technically use it as a primer because I don't use primer. Now I'm going to use the vitamin E serum. It's from, I'm pretty sure it's from the Superdrug's own brand. And I'm just going to use one pump and use that all over my face. And then I just rub it in. Okay, so the foundation I use is from Rimmel London. It's the Lasting Finish foundation, and I'd say it's a medium coverage because it's not too high and too little coverage, but it's just enough for my skin and the way I like it, and it looks more like skin than if I used a really high coverage one. And it's not so matte that it dries your skin out as well. I find that in some foundations, if it's too full coverage and matte, it's not good. Then I use the Glossier concealer in the shade G11. I'm just going to use this under my eyes and on my two imperfections, aka spots on my forehead, because I do get them like everyone else does. Now I'm just going to blend that with a little beauty blender. Sometimes I'll use my fingers. Honestly, it depends the way if I want to use my finger or a beauty blender. So now I'm going to be powdering my face, and I got this from the Netherlands. I do not know what shop it was from, but I just bought it because it was on sale. And I'm just going to use just the normal powder, baking powder, whatever you call it, and put it all over my face. Honestly, you can just use any powder for this, well, it doesn't matter. I just used one I found in a palette. And now I'm going to use my Revolution palette, with contour and highlight palette, and I'm just going to use the contour shade, and I'm going to use this on my cheekbones and my forehead, just to define my face a little more. Next I'm going to be using blush, and I use the Glossier blush and the Primark blush. But I'm going to use the Primark blush, and you got it in the shade Rosewood. It's honestly a really pretty colour and I love it so much. And I also have the same lipstick in the shade Rosewood, which I'm going to be using today in this video. It's a really nice colour. And I also use it on my nose just to make it look a bit more summery. Now I'm going to use this Revolution highlighter. I just use the white shade because the other ones make a cast on my skin and it doesn't really look very nice on my skin. So I just use the white one. I'm also applying it on my eyebrow bone, my brow bone and my cupid's bow. And now I'm using the e.l.f. eyebrow gel, and I'm just putting that on my eyebrows, brushing them up. Then I'm just going to push the hairs on the top down. Doing this makes my eyebrows appear thicker, so that's why I like to do it. Now I'm just going to be doing a winged liner. I'm going to be using, I'm pretty sure this is from Rimmel London, I'm not sure, oops, I got it on my nose as well. But I use that to wing my liner. And I'm not very good at it, but I actually did alright on that day, so I'm quite proud of myself. Now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes, and then I'll apply mascara because curling my eyelashes just makes them longer and really nice. Sometimes I just like to curl my eyelashes because it just makes my eyelashes look longer and maybe not wear mascara sometimes. But I'm using the number 7 Intense Volume Mascara. I'm using this on my top and bottom lashes because I feel it makes your eyes pop more when you use it on your bottom lashes as well. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I forgot to do my eyeshadow before this, so I end up doing it after like my mascara, which is quite triggering. Sorry about that. So I'm using this random palette I literally don't know where it's from, but I'm just going to use the peach shade and the shimmery pink shade. So I'm just going to use a matte peach shade all over my lid, and then apply my shimmery shade with my finger in the inner portion of my eye. This is just a really cute combo and it just looks really nice. Also, I don't know why I rubbed it on my lip, I just thought I'd be a bit cool then. Okay, now I'm using the Primark lipstick in the shade Rosewood, like I told you before. It's a really nice lipstick. I'm using the Kiko lip, I don't really know what it's called, but I found it in Kiko and it's a lip gloss and it's really pretty. And after that, that's my finished look. I'm just gonna also take my clips out my hair, and thank you guys so much for watching. This is my first ever YouTube video and I thought I'd just show you a nice tutorial. So subscribe, like, and bye guys.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.